In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an advertisement in Canva. If you've ever tried to make an ad from scratch, you already know how easy it is to end up with the wrong size, messy spacing, or text that just doesn't look sharp once it's published. The good news is that Canva makes this process much easier, especially when you start with the correct ad format and build from there. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to set up your ad properly, customize it with your own visuals and text, and export it in a clean, high-quality format that's ready to use. To begin, head to the Canva homepage and open a new design using a platform-specific ad format. This is important because different platforms use different dimensions, and choosing the right one from the start helps you avoid quality issues later. Click the Create a Design button in the top right area, then type in the platform you're designing for, such as Instagram post or Facebook ad. From the search results, choose the format that matches your placement so your canvas opens at the correct size. Once your new ad project is open, the next step is to choose a template. On the left-hand side, open the Design or Templates section. In the search bar, type a phrase that matches the kind of ad you want to create, like a product sale ad, a course promotion, or a minimalist ad. Canva will show you a range of ready-made layouts. Pick one that fits your message and style, then click it to apply it to your canvas. This gives you a strong starting structure without needing to design every element manually. After that, upload your own product image or brand visual. Go to the Uploads tab on the left, click Upload Files, and select a high-quality image from your computer. Once it finishes uploading, drag it onto the main image area of the template. Canva usually snaps it into place automatically, which makes replacing placeholder graphics quick and simple. Now it's time to update the text. Click on the main headline and replace the sample wording with a short, clear message that highlights the benefit of your offer. Keep it concise and easy to read. Then adjust the font or text color from the toolbar at the top if needed, especially if you want it to better match your brand style. Make sure the supporting text sits neatly underneath, and finish by checking the call to action button so it says something direct like shop now or learn more. Before exporting, give the entire design one final review. Check that nothing is cut off near the edges, all placeholder text is gone, and the layout feels balanced. Then click Share in the top right corner, choose Download, and select PNG for strong image clarity. Once that's done, click Download again to save your finished ad. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.